Hohenbergia castellanosii, your essential FAQs. When I first encountered Hohenbergia castellanosii, I was captivated by its unique charm and exotic appeal. This plant, with its stunning foliage and vibrant colors, quickly became one of my favorites. If you're considering adding Hohenbergia castellanosii to your collection or simply curious about this fascinating plant, you've come to the right place. Here's a detailed guide based on my experiences and insights into this tropical gem. What is Hohenbergia castellanosii? Hohenbergia castellanosii is a bromeliad species native to Central America. It belongs to the Bromeliaceae family, which includes many popular ornamental plants. This species is particularly admired for its rosette formation and striking appearance. The leaves are long, narrow, and often feature a mix of green and reddish tones. One of its most remarkable features is its ability to produce vibrant inflorescences, which add a splash of color to any plant collection. How to care for Hohenbergia castellanosii. Light requirements. Hohenbergia castellanosii thrives in bright, indirect light. It can tolerate some direct sunlight, but too much can scorch the leaves. I've found that placing it near a window with filtered light works best. Watering. This plant prefers to be watered regularly, but it's essential to avoid waterlogging. I water it when the top inch of soil feels dry, and I ensure that the pot has good drainage. It's also beneficial to use rainwater or distilled water, as tap water with high mineral content can be detrimental. Humidity. As a tropical plant, Hohenbergia castellanosii enjoys high humidity. I keep the humidity levels around 50 to 60% in my home. If your environment is dry, using a humidity tray or a room humidifier can help maintain the right conditions. Temperature. This plant thrives in temperatures between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 27 degrees Celsius. It's not frost tolerant, so keep it away from cold drafts and ensure it's in a warm spot. Soil. A well-draining mix is crucial. I use a mix designed for bromeliads or create my own with equal parts potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark. How to propagate Hohenbergia castellanosii. Propagation is one of the most exciting aspects of growing Hohenbergia castellanosii. The most common method is through offsets, or pups, which are smaller plants that grow from the base of the mother plant. Steps for propagation. Remove the offsets. Gently separate the offsets from the main plant when they are about 1/3 the size of the parent. Prepare the offsets. Let the offsets dry out for a day or two to prevent rot. Plant the offsets. Plant them in a small pot with the same well-draining mix used for the parent plant. Care for the new plants. Keep the newly planted offsets in a warm, humid environment until they establish roots. What to plant with Hohenbergia castellanosii. Hohenbergia castellanosii pairs well with other tropical plants that share similar care requirements. Some great companions include ferns. Their lush foliage complements the striking appearance of Hohenbergia castellanosii. Philodendrons. These plants thrive in similar conditions and add diversity to your plant collection. Orchids. The delicate blooms of orchids can enhance the visual appeal of Hohenbergia castellanosii. Is Hohenbergia castellanosii toxic? One of the benefits of Hohenbergia castellanosii is that it is non-toxic to pets and humans. This makes it a safe choice for households with animals or small children. However, always ensure that pets do not chew on plants, as ingesting large amounts of plant material can sometimes cause digestive upset. Common problems and solutions. Despite its hardy nature, Hohenbergia castellanosii can encounter a few issues. Leaf browning. This is usually caused by low humidity or too much direct sunlight. Adjusting the plant's location and ensuring adequate humidity can help resolve this issue. Root rot. Overwatering or poor drainage can lead to root rot. Ensure your pot has drainage holes and adjust your watering routine if needed. Pest infestations. Check regularly for pests like spider mites or mealybugs. Using insecticidal soap or neem oil can help manage these pests. Comparing Hohenbergia castellanosii with other bromeliads. When compared to other bromeliads like Echmea or Guzmania, Hohenbergia castellanosii stands out for its unique leaf structure and inflorescence. While Echmea is known for its bright, colorful bracts and Guzmania for its rosette of vibrant leaves, Hohenbergia castellanosii offers a different aesthetic with its more subtle but equally striking appearance. In summary, Hohenbergia castellanosii is a fantastic addition to any plant collection. Its striking appearance, ease of care, and non-toxic nature make it a versatile and appealing choice. With the right conditions and a bit of care, this bromeliad will thrive and bring a touch of the tropics into your home.